Thank you for joining APC Solution. If you've watched any of our older videos, you may have noticed that at one point this large monitor was on a standard writing desk that's only about 4 feet in length and it was about 24 inches in depth. We've upgraded, and today's video is going to show you how we set up this desk from Ikea, the Bekant, and some of the features that we liked about it. Without further ado, let's roll that high-speed footage of setting up this desk. Before we show you how everything turned out, let's review what we were looking for in a desk. Space, first and foremost. We needed more space between the monitor and the seat, space between the monitor and the keyboard, additional space for just about anything from laptop, phone, drink, paperwork, tablet, etc. You think of it, you could use the extra space on a desk. And then lastly is the height. The original desk was a little on the short side and the primary user is 6 foot tall. Now let's recap why we picked the Bekant Desk from Ikea. Size of the desk first and foremost. We were searching for something around 72 inches in width. This desk comes in at 63 inches in width, but more importantly, it has over 31 inches in depth to it. So there's tons of space for your phone, your beverage, an extra laptop if you need that for some reason, or tablet, or any of the things we previously mentioned. Additionally, it is fully adjustable in height from 25 and 5/8 inches all the way up to 33 and a half. So from short people to over 6 foot tall, this desk really can accommodate you for height. And then as an added bonus, the cable management underneath, as well as the pedestal style legs that keep the front of the desk nice and open. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you haven't already, please feel free to check out some of our other videos, and don't forget to get subscribed and hit the bell for notifications. If you'd like to see other videos like this, or have any questions about this specific product we went over today, feel free to let us know in the comment sections below. Thanks again, and have a blessed day.